Welcome to Ucode. In this video, we'll explore the different table views available on the Ucode platform, including table view, calendar view, board view, tree view, and website view. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to switch between views, configure them to meet your needs, and enhance your productivity. Let's get started. Let's begin with the default table view. The table view is perfect for organizing data in a spreadsheet-like format. It displays rows and columns for easy data entry, editing, and sorting. We can add, edit, or delete fields and items directly within this view. For instance, let's use a table with details about sports competition results. Here, we can see fields like athlete name, age, country, and medal count, and input corresponding data. The table view provides a clear and straightforward way to handle structured data. The next view we'll explore is the calendar view, a powerful tool for organizing and managing date-based data such as events, deadlines, or milestones. To enable this feature, navigate to the table where we'd like to add the calendar view. In the header section of the interface, locate the +Add button next to the table view. Click this button to open a drop-down menu displaying a list of available views. From this list, select Calendar and click Create View Calendar. Once the calendar view has been successfully created, it will appear as a new tab in the View section above the table. Simply click on the Calendar tab to switch to the newly created view. This intuitive layout allows us to toggle seamlessly between month, week, or day displays, making it effortless to visualize and manage date-specific information. For instance, we can conveniently track all birthdays for the month or view upcoming deadlines at a glance. The calendar view provides an elegant and user-friendly way to stay on top of time-sensitive tasks, ensuring we remain organized and productive. The next view is the board view, which provides a visual way to organize table items by grouping them using multi-select options. This feature is especially useful for project management, tracking progress, and categorizing data effectively. To create a board view, navigate to the +Add button at the top of the table. From the drop-down list of available views, select Board View and click Create View Board. Once created, the board view is ready to use. Let's walk through how to utilize this view. The board view requires a multi-select field, which we've already set up with options such as male and female to categorize athletes. In the table view, the genders have already been assigned to the respective athletes. To demonstrate the board view's functionality, navigate to the board view and enable the multi-select field by toggling its visibility through the group button. Once this is enabled, the board view will display two separate boards labeled male and female, along with the associated data. Additionally, you can manage the visibility of specific columns by using the Columns button located next to the Group button. This allows you to control which data is displayed on the boards. The board view is an excellent tool for visualizing tasks, organizing information, and streamlining data management with its dynamic and user-friendly layout. This overview provides a clear roadmap for creating and effectively using the board view. Now, let's look at the tree view, which is perfect for hierarchical data. This view displays parent-child relationships within our table. For example, let's open already created table for an organizational structure with two fields, name and parent. As we can see, there are ORG structure stand for organizational structure. This structure is needed to demonstrate the utilization of our tree view. So, repeat the view creation action again, like go to header then click +Add button. From the list select tree view and click Create View Tree button. So, as we can see created tree view, click to it and we will go to tree view. And in order to see our structure we need to make one simple action, which is go to column section and toggle on the name field in order to see the data in the tree view. The tree view will display a structured hierarchy, such as a CEO, Chief Executive Officer, at the top, followed by CTO, Chief Technology Officer, then will come Engineering Team Lead, then Software Engineer and QA Engineer. Another one is Financial Department, which displays hierarchy, which is CFO, Chief Financial Officer, at the top, followed by Financial Manager, and last will be Accountant. This view helps users visualize and navigate complex relationships. And last for our video guide will be the website view, which allows us to display a web page directly within Ucode. To enable this, as usual, click plus add button and select website. Once we select website view from the list, there will appear input field where we need to paste our website URL in order to open our web page. Let's paste our Ucode documentation page URL. Once we did that, just click create view website. After finishing the action, we can see website view on our header of table tab. Once saved, the selected website will display within the view, providing quick access to external resources without leaving Ucode. And that's it. In this video, we explored the 5 powerful table views in Ucode: table view, calendar view, board view, tree view, and website view. Each view is designed to simplify data management and enhance productivity, whether you're organizing tasks, visualizing events, or managing hierarchical relationships. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or reach out to our support team at Chatwood. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. See you in the next one.